do you think about that support bounce? Right off 61.25?
Yeah, it's so micro though. I really wouldn't consider that even a micro. But as you can see, it used it. So I'm not sure I'd go along there.
Gotcha.
Not sure.
I actually got that one as a major though.
You have 61 as a major?
61.25.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, 61.75.
Yeah, from a while back.
Let's see where I picked it from. Off of
on the 13th.
Yeah, 12th, 13th.
Sounds about right. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly when.
It's for our trading purpose, we did grow. So I'm still in the short, but I would not hit along there. That's just my personal opinion. And I'm an aggressive girl.
I'm thinking just for the standpoint of just that it's a peak from the 13th, not that it's clearly used as support yet.
Okay.
It has not been clearly
used as support
yet.
But it was really under it. It was a peak for resistance.
Oh, I just saw it used as support twice.
Okay. So now I got out of the other one because you can see the two candles down there, the two green candles. Mm-hmm. So that was my second one.
I got long. I'll be back, guys.
Okay.
So you wouldn't use this 61.75 that is a previous peak because it has not been used as a support anywhere? You wouldn't call that a major?
I'm looking at it currently right now, and it's a micro. But I wouldn't go long. I wouldn't hop on the train here.
No, the question was, why is it a micro instead of a major since it is a peak?
Yeah, because I damn sure I kept taking this top.
Well, look at it 6:32 PS. Look at like right after the bell. You can see those two red candles. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Why would you call that a major?
Well, that's not where I'm pulling a major
that's not
from.
what we're talking about.
It's a major from the 12th or 13th. It had a peak.
Oh, I'm not going back that way. That's too far back for me. I'm just looking at London right now.
Okay. Okay. I got you. Because then with London, like that would be, this is no man's land for you. This is just all uncharted territory.
No man's land for me.
I got you. Okay. Yeah, because we got to go back literally to the 13th before we even see that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if I were you, I'd wait for a deeper pullback.
All right. I'm back, guys.
Now, if you get another green candle here, then it's interesting. Then you might want to hop on it.
All right, and now I want to see David's take on it because David said something to the contrary. David, you believe there's support right here?
Yep. That's a micro peak support for me.
We were talking about why you were gone here. We picked that one at 61.75 as a major level from back on the 12th or 13th because it was a peak. Yeah. But it's not been used as a support anywhere.
Gotcha. 61.25 was a measured area of resistance for me. That was, as you can see up on the chart over here, price right over here off this area. Now, there could have been a deeper pullback right over here, but the market hasn't been pulling deeper. So 61.25 as a top area of resistance is used as support right now on the 8 tick off of 2 bounces, which is why I like the long idea, but I would say that there's also an opportunity for this thing to pull back a little bit deeper if you guys do want the deeper pullback. I'm just taking a micro peek.
There we go.
Okay. And I do see where you're talking about, because if I look at my chart, I pulled it a little high, but I see exactly what you mean because there was a rotation there, a heavy rotation right on the top of that 61.25. I got you.
Yeah. So it's just a micro peak. I mean, if you're not comfortable with those, I'd say just wait out for more of the major areas.